My name is Sam Conrad, and I am a sophomore in construction engineering management at Purdue University. Last summer, I was given the opportunity to work as a summer intern at E&B Paving Incorporated. At the beginning of the 12-week internship, I told my area manager I wish she knew more about the background of roadway construction. E&B did a fantastic job of introducing me to 4 of the 5 phases of roadway construction throughout the internship. The 5 phases of roadway construction are planning, design, earthwork, paving, and opening the roadway to traffic. I moved between different projects that were in different phases of the construction process while working mostly as a laborer because the best way to learn something is to do it hands-on. First, I will give you a little overview of E&B as a company. They are owned by Urban Materials Incorporated and have 12 offices throughout Indiana that specialize in asphalt and concrete paving. I was located in their Clarksville office where I got to work on 6 of their projects. The first project I'm going to talk about is the Medline warehouse located in Jeffersonville, Indiana. E&B's job was to create a building pad for a 1 million square foot warehouse as well as a landscape surrounding it. They also were to complete the warehouse's parking lot and curb lines. This introduced me to the second phase of heavy highway construction, the design phase. Surveying was the main part of the design phase that I experienced. I completed topographic mapping of the surrounding area of the building pad that would then be turned into a 3D model. I got to experience the third phase of roadway construction at the Clark County Airport located in Clarksville, Indiana. For this project, E&B was extending the runway and adding a loop for planes to wait before takeoff. You can see the before and after in the picture to the right. Here I was in charge of grade checking with an operator on the grader. Our task was to make sure that the aggregate was at the correct height before the asphalt would be placed on top of it. Another part of earthwork is erosion control. I got some experience doing this on I-65 between Memphis and Salisbury, Indiana. This project was a 12-mile stretch of highway and was in its final phase when I began my work here. NDOT was having a problem with the erosion of the median, so they asked E&B to help out. Our task was to replace the gravel in the median with sheets of flex mat. The flex mat came in 50-foot by 8-foot rolls and was basically plastic netting covered by concrete stones. These are being used to make sure that the gravel did not get washed away anymore by rainwater. Pictured are the before and after pictures of the median. At another section of this project, I got a taste of the final 2 phases of the roadway construction process. The asphalt crew I was on was in charge of placing the final layer of asphalt, the surface, on the shoulder heading southbound. My job on this crew was to operate the front of the shuttle buggy and dump the asphalt trucks into it. The shuttle buggy held 40 tons of asphalt and would then feed it into the paver. This was my first experience with this equipment, and if I messed up, the whole operation would be delayed. This was my greatest triumph, as my work is now being used by thousands of cars each day. Throughout the internship, I learned the importance of each phase in the construction process and how they all rely on each other. As John F. Kennedy once said, building a road or highway isn't pretty, but it's something our economy needs to have. Thank you.